Okay guys, namaste. Today we are going to study about tense in English. Do you know about tense? This video is for the students who are studying in class 8 to 12. We are going to understand time in language. Before starting the chapter, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel. The name of channel is Kanti Sir. Remember that. Okay, now let's start the topic. Tense. What is tense? Why do we use tense? We use tense because tense shows the time of action event. It tells us when something happens. There are three types of tense: past, present and future. Past shows that the action that has already happened in past time, like yesterday, the time which was before the arrival of present time. And the present shows the action which is happening now, currently. The future tense shows what the action that will happen after the current time. So there are three types of tense: present tense, past tense and future tense. I have already said that the present tense represent action happening now, past tense represent action that has already happened, and the future tense shows the action yet to happen. Now there are four forms of each tense. They are simple, continuous, progressive, which is at continuity state, perfect and perfect continuous tense. Okay, now let's study about present tense today. In this video we will discuss present tense in detail. What is present tense? Understanding present tense is the understanding of actions that are happening now or regularly. What does present tense do? The present tense describes actions happening at the moment or habitually. Present tense shows facts, routines, universal truths and ongoing actions. There are four forms of present tense: simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect, present perfect continuous. Now let's read about simple present tense. What is simple present tense? How to use simple present tense? There is a structure of simple present tense in this video. You can see here. The structure of simple present tense is subject plus V1 V5 plus object. And where is simple present tense used? It is used to show daily routines. I wake up at 6 a.m. It is daily routine of a person who wakes up at 6 a.m. It is used for showing universal truths like the sun rises in the east. Another one, it shows permanent situations. For example, she lives in Kathmandu. Anybody, a girl who is living in Kathmandu permanently, then we can say she lives in Kathmandu. See some examples of simple present tense. He plays football. They go to school. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Now let's go forward and study present continuous tense. Present continuous tense shows that the action has been the action is at continuous state. मतलब कि जुन एक्सन सुरु भइसकेको छ, द एक्सन हैज स्टार्टेड बट नट इन्डेड, अन्त्य चाहिँ भएको छैन। कुनै पनि काम गर्न सुरु गरिसकेछौँ हामीले तर अन्त्य भएको त्यो काम अन्त्य भएको छैन। लाइक वी आर स्टडीइङ नाउ, स्टडी गर्न सुरु गरिसक्यौँ हामीले तर स्टडी त गरिसकेको छैन हो। त्यसैलाई बताउनको लागि प्रेजेन्ट कन्टिन्युअस टेन्सको युज हुन्छ। The structure of present continuous tense is subject plus is, am, are plus V4 plus object। एउटा कुरा यसमा अझै ध्यान दिनु पर्यो तपाईहरुले, सब्जेक्ट अनुसारले हामीले is, am, are को युज गर्नुपर्छ। लाइक if the subject is single person or single thing, is used. If the subject is singular, we have to use is, except I. Am is used after I am going to market. And if the person is more than one, if the persons there are more than two persons, we have to use are. Like they are playing football, they are playing cricket। मतलब कि दे भन्ने बित्तिकै उनीहरू भन्ने बित्तिकै दुई वा दुई भन्दा बढी जना आइसक्यो, त्यसैले we are using are। Okay, see here uses of present continuous tense। Actions happening right now, this is she is reading a book। Temporary actions, I am staying with my uncle। Future arrangements, we are meeting tomorrow। Examples, I am writing notes, they are playing cricket, she is cooking dinner। मतलब कुनै पनि एक्सन सुरु भइसकेको छ, अन्त्य भएको छैन, अहिले पनि कन्टिन्युटी अवस्थामा छ। त्यसलाई बुझाउनको लागि हामी प्रेजेन्ट कन्टिन्युअस टेन्सको युज गर्छौं। Now let's see about present perfect tense। Present perfect tense shows that the action have already completed। कुनै पनि एक्सन सुरु भयो र अन्त्य पनि भइसकेको छ already। The structure of present perfect tense is subject plus has have plus past participle, यानी कि V3 plus object। Subject plus has have plus V3 plus object। We have to make sentences according to this structure। The uses of present perfect tense in which the action completed at an unspecified time। I have visited Pokhara। कसैले मलाई सोध्छ तिमी पोखरा गएको छौ र म त अलरेडी गइसकेको छु, त मैले के भन्छु त I have visited Pokhara। Actions that continue to affect the present, she has broken her leg। कुनै पनि एक्सन त्यसले प्रेजेन्टलाई इफेक्ट गर्छ, जस्तै कि she has broken her leg, खुट्टा टुटिसकेको छ। लाइफ एक्सपिरियन्सेस, they have seen that movie, उनीहरूले त्यो मुभी हेरिसकेको छ। Examples, he has finished his homework, we have eaten lunch, I have read that book। Now let's read about present perfect continuous tense। The structure of present perfect continuous tense is subject plus has have been plus V4 plus object। Its uses are actions that have started in the past and continue now। कुनै पनि एक्सन पास्टमा स्टार्ट भयो तर अहिलेसम्म पनि त्यो एक्सन कन्टिन्युटी अवस्थामा छ, कन्टिन्यू छ, त्यसलाई हामीले प्रेजेन्ट पर्फेक्ट कन्टिन्युअस टेन्सको युज गरेर त्यो एक्सनलाई बताउन सक्छौँ। लाइक आई हेभ बिन स्टडीइङ सिन्स मर्निङ, पास्टैमा मर्निङ पास्टमा भइसकेको थियो, गइसक्यो मर्निङ, तर मर्निङदेखि नै म के गरिरहेको छु त स्टडी गरिरहेको छु। आई हेभ बिन स्टडिङ सिन्स मर्निङ, बिहानैदेखि म पढिरहेको छु। इम्फेसाइज ड्युरेसन, सी हेज बिन वर्किङ हियर फर 5 years, मतलब कि ड्युरेसन हेराउनको लागि पनि हाम्रो युज हुन्छ, के युज हुन्छ, प्रेजेन्ट परफेक्ट कन्टिन्युअस टेन्स। फर इक्जाम्पल्स, ही हेज बिन प्लेइङ फुटबल फर 2 hours, 2 घण्टादेखि ऊ फुटबल खेलिरहेको छ। I have been waiting for you since 9 AM, 9 बजेदेखि तिम्रो लागि पर्खिरहेको छु, 9 बजेदेखि। ओके नाउ, they have been learning English for 3 months, 3 महिनादेखि उनीहरूले इङ्ग्लिस सिकिरहेका छन्। त्यो हेराउनको लागि हामी प्रेजेन्ट परफेक्ट कन्टिन्युअस टेन्सको युज गर्छौँ। नाउ यो त भइहाल्यो, this was about present tense, and we will further study about the past tense in next part, because video will become too long if we discuss in this video, so we have to discuss past tense in another video. So keep waiting for part 2 and subscribe the channel, press the bell icon for more updates. Please like the channel and subscribe and share to your friends. Okay, thank you.